Hello guys, welcome back. This is KRRISH for After Effects tutorial, and now time to working with KRRISH movie title. How to work in After Effects, maybe 3D. Let's start. After Effects, create a new composition, name it title. Press enter and set your composition monitor screen and turn on title action saver. Then double click import the picture of title. This is, and then press T down the opacity and select a guideline from ruler, and then press R for rotation. Press Ctrl on keyboard for slowly change the rotation rate like this. Okay, that's good. And now if you have font style of this like this, then write. If you don't have, then you must create a new solid and name it KRRISH 4 and select the color white. Press OK, turn off, and then select your solid and zoom in. Select the pen, click here, okay. Exit from full screen, then delete the picture and turn off your mask. Press M, select your 8 mask, subtract. That's good. And now create a new solid, Ctrl plus Y, and name it 3D logo, and then press OK. Go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element 3D. Then go to Element 3D, Custom Layers, Text and Mask, select KRRISH 4 layer, and then go to Scene Setup, and then press Extrude here. And now there is presets of 3D title like this. Double click, how it look, not bad. Double click, this one is really good. Open your extrusion model layers. This is the first layer of title. You can edit like this and change this title like this. That's really pretty good. And now go to environment, change the environment. What about this? This one is too good. Press OK, and then create a new layer of camera. Select 24mm and press OK. Turn off 2D layer. You can change the environment HDRI like a blur HDRI. Go to environment, go back. There is a Pro Shader Maps, a lot of multiple Pro Shaders, and there is Metropolitan and environment, backlight environment 4K. You must install these HDRIs. This one help you to make a different reflection with high quality. Okay, let me select one of these. Which one is really good? This one is good, but too dark. I need a bright reflection. Okay, press OK, and then go to render setting, lighting, change it to cinema. And now you can make animation for this title, fit your screen, and move your title to center point. From go to group 1 particle replicator like this. Okay, now open your particle look, multi-objects, enable, and there is rotation, and there is displacement and scatter. If you want to make animation like this, press shift for fast moving. Which one is scatter? That is scatter, and turn on scatter X and rotation Y. To second 3, change it to 0 and 0, and press U for keyframe, change it to easy ease. Play now. How it looks. Turn off this one, press 0, press shift. This one is too good. Stopwatch and change to 0. Press U, right click, easy ease. I need to change the camera. Zoom in and move it to center, and then create a new solid black color. Black color mean is alpha, and name it light. Press enter, and then go to effects, universe, no light factory, and go to presets, select a different light. How about this? Select and press F4 for turn on the mode option, and select the add. You can down the scale of light, and you can make animation about light too. Stopwatch all of them, go to here and move the light here. KRRISH for okay, and now select your 3D logo and turn on the motion blur like this, and close this. And change the light additional direction. When the animation of title is stopping, stopwatch all of these options and go to second 4, make it animation like this. Play now. That is good. And change your camera position first, zoom out and move it to center, and select the light, down the light scale and move here, and then close and move the light behind like this. And now create another new solid, name it light. This one is the second light, and select a different color to match with your motion graphics project. Which one is good? Select the warm color, double click, move here and change the brightness and scale, and select add. Play now. Fit your screen. That is good. Stopwatch and move the light like this and down like this. Change change the light this one is good. Okay, test. There is a little bit problem. Turn off action in sci-fi. Yeah, good. Just one time change the environment of 3D title reflection, because this reflection is looking not good. I need to change it. A different reflection. Press U, down the light brightness. Play now. That is good. And select 3D logo layer and go to effects and presets. Drop a effect CC light swap. Drop this effect and change to sharp, and there is the weight. Stopwatch, go to second 4, change it like this. Okay, test your project, fit and render. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials of 3ds Max and After Effects. See you next time. Goodbye.